I got something new in the mail that I've been waiting on for literally months. As some of you may know, I've been wearing a Whoop 3.0 for the last year, and I've been using it every single day to gauge kind of how hard I should go in my workout. It's literally the first app that I open when I wake up in the morning to see what my recovery score is. If you don't know what the Whoop is, it's an activity tracker. It tracks your sleep, it tracks your calories burned, it tracks your HRV, it tracks your breathing, it tracks everything that you need to do in order to be more efficient with your training. Now, Whoop has come out with the Whoop 4.0, right? I'm super excited for this because I've loved the Whoop 3.0 and I've seen the new features in the app that I don't have access to yet because I don't have this one. So today is going to be a quick comparison between what this guy looks like and what this guy looks like. And we'll get into a deeper review after I've had some time to wear this. So let's go ahead and let's open this guy up and we'll see what we're working with. Let's bring the camera in close. So here we are with the Whoop 4.0. Let's rip this guy open. Whoa, that's satisfying. I love the packaging of these guys. It's super simple, super easy. Okay, that's attached. Oh, you got a nice little cardboard piece here with some good branding on it. Can you see that there? Boom. All right, the Whoop setup guide. So we got a nice little setup guide here. See if that tells us anything we don't already know. Tells us everything that comes in it. Looks like you've got your 4.0 tracker, your battery pack, your super knit band, and your new USB charging cable. What's on the back here? Oh, how to open it, how to position it, how to fit it, how to adjust it. Those all look like good things to know. Great. All right. What do we got here? Our user guide. Yeah. Cool. All right. Now on to the main event. It looks like they gave us a black on black, which is the same that we already had with the Whoop 3.0. So we're going strap first. Let's see. Ooh, this is... Okay, so I've watched a couple of reviews on this, and people have said this feels nicer, but I wasn't sure I believed them. This feels very different from the classic strap here. Although it doesn't really look too different, right? It looks about the same. So we got the new sensor here. We got a sticker on it. Please remove before use, right? Go ahead and take that guy off. Oh yeah, the sensor array is very different. What else is in the box? We've got the charger. The charger's a completely different shape from the old one. So the old charger, let's get all this mess out of the way. So the old charger is here, right? It's a little bit more rectangular. And then the new charger's here. It's a little bit more square. Yeah, it's a little different. I like it. And then finally the charging cable. That one's a little different than the old one here. They switched it to USB-C. Right, so the port here is a USB-C now. That's nice, whereas before it was a mini USB, I believe, is what this is. So, you know, it's nice because it's just universal. I have a bunch of USB-Cs, so I don't need to have this special cord with me at all times. I don't necessarily need to have this cord with me. As long as I have a USB-C, I can charge up my puck. All right, so that's it for what's in the box. All right, so let's switch it out. Let's see what's going on here. So this is the old charger. Put that down here. Take off this one, the old one. Let's size up the new one. Let's go ahead and put this guy on. I've got tiny little wrists. It's always kind of a good thing that these are harder to adjust because that tells me that it's going to be harder for it to come undone. You know what I mean? Like, I don't mind that it's difficult to put on as long as once it's on, I know it's going to be stuck on. All right, let's see. Did I get it on the first try? So apparently they changed the locking mechanism to make it easier. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, I got the new 4.0 on, so I guess the only thing I can go do now is test it out with a workout. So I'm going to go do that. While you're here, go ahead and check out this video right here if you're looking for the next thing to help level up your training. I've got some Valor bands that are challenging crossover symmetry, so I think you should check them out. I'll see you in the next one. Later.